Here's a quick walking tour of the Sun Palace that's located in downtown Cancun, and it's actually 15 to 20 minutes from the airport, which was one of my favorite things about this resort. It's going to be a very quick walking tour because this is a very small resort. In fact, it's the smallest all-inclusive resort that I've been to. But even though it's really small, I feel that it had a lot to offer. And remember, this isn't a travel vlog or a travel agency. I'm just trying to give you honest and real reviews so you can make a decision if this resort is right for you. So let's go on a walking tour of the Sun Palace in Cancun. So when you arrive, they take cleanliness and sanitization very, very seriously. They are sanitizing all of your luggage, and they do require masks to be worn anytime that you are indoors. So they do not require them outside, but they do require them inside. It is a very small lobby, but updated and clean. And it does have two places that you can shop, a boutique and a jewelry store. Now make sure you watch my complete review. I'm going to give you some tips on the resort credits that they give you. They say that you can use them in either place, but there are strings attached. So make sure you watch that complete review. Aurora was one of the 4 restaurants they had on site. In the morning, it was a breakfast buffet. They also had a lunch buffet, and then at night, it became the Mexican restaurant. This is the gift shop where you could get sunscreen, t-shirts, bags, any necessities as well that you might have left at home. This is another check-in area. And then down this hallway, down towards the bottom is the ballroom. So again, if you watch my entire review, I'm going to explain that that was kind of one of the weird things about this resort, was that the ballroom was in the basement. My favorite things about this resort was the Sweet and coffee shop. They had amazing coffee, amazing pastries and chocolates made to order. So right off the lobby, just a few steps away, is the pool and the beach. And this pool area is the quieter pool. So if you don't want a lot of activities or music, this is the place to go. And they also have the Diamond Club section here as well. So here, this is one pool bar. Obviously it's closed. I took this video early in the morning, but there's great service there. And then this is where you get the towels. Here is another section of the quiet area. And again, look at that view, just overlooking the ocean. One of my favorite things I loved about this resort was that everything was very close, but also those views were just amazing. Now under here, this is going to take us to the activity section. They did have here, as you can see, ping pong, which was nice that it wasn't out in the sun or the glaring heat. And over here is the only access point in the resort to the beach. And again, I love that everything was so close. There was plenty of seating on the beach and they had service on the beach, but the beaches in Cancun can change from day to day. So you can see here, it's early in the morning, the water was coming way up. Then the first day we got there was a lot of seaweed, but the second day there was no seaweed. And the water color is amazing and the temperature is literally to die for. But there can be strong waves at times down this area as well. Now let's go up to the activities pool, and the pools are open from 7:30 in the morning to 7:30 at night. So I did love that there was such a wide time span to enjoy the pools, and I just absolutely loved this pool so much. I think because of this amazing view, just stunning views, and they always had plenty of activities, music, And again, watch my full review of this resort because you'll see they have amazing food poolside as well and great service. One downside of this resort was the lack of seating at the activity pool. Since it was so fun, everyone wanted to be there. So if you didn't get up early, the chances were that you did not get seating at the pool. I was an early riser, so I never had that issue. But often, as we were leaving, we were giving our seats up to people that were waiting. So something just to take note of if you're considering coming to this resort. Over here too, they had a great little swim-up bar, again, that was right there overlooking the ocean, and the service was amazing and the drinks were amazing as well. And just up the stairs off the pool was the Thai restaurant that is open at night for dinner. And we did try it. I wasn't a huge fan of it, but again, I'm not a huge Thai food fan, so I don't know if that had something to do with it. But if you like Thai food, at least there's an option there for you. They did have a spa on site. I didn't get a chance to use it because it was booked, and they also had a salon. This is the Italian restaurant, and it was one of my favorite meals that we had at night. They had really good salmon, and the pasta was pretty good, and so was the pizza. And here's their version of the lobby bar, which again is off of the lobby in a separate room. Make sure you watch my complete review to see how it comes alive at night and for the amazing, stunning views that are there during the day. Okay, back to the lobby, and off to the right is where you book your tours, but also where they're going to try to get you to book the membership tour at LeBlanc. And make sure you watch the complete review that I did so you can decide on yourself whether you think it's worth it. So a few other important things that I want to show you on this tour are up the stairs. And so let's start on the first floor, and we'll go down the hallway, and I'm going to show you where you're going to find the VIP lounge and Fuego, the steakhouse restaurant. Okay, so here is the VIP lounge, and you have access to this if you are a member or if you have upgraded to the VIP level during your stay. And it's really tucked away back here on the first floor. It's really a very quiet area, so if you're looking to get away from the noise of the resort, if you wanted to read a book, maybe you're working during vacation, this is a great place to come. There is also a bar as well. And now for the final restaurant on site, which is Fuego, again, tucked back here on the first floor. And it is the steakhouse. It is one of the most popular restaurants there. They have both breakfast in the morning, a la carte breakfast, and then a steakhouse dinner at night. And I loved the breakfast. We came here one morning for breakfast, and just the whole atmosphere, the decor, and the fact that it's overlooking the ocean. I loved it. It is completely open air, so there is no air conditioning. So sometimes on those summer days, it could get a little hot. And then at night, the food was average. It wasn't spectacular, but it was just fun. The whole vibe in general was just a lot of fun. I also wanted to mention the free on-site COVID testing, and it was a really easy process, very quick. You have a QR code, you sign up for an appointment, and we got the results within less than 24 hours. Okay, so up the stairs to level 2, and the final thing I wanted to show you on this walking tour was the fitness center. And they had a really beautiful fitness center, very clean, but overlooking spectacular views of the bay. So it's an amazing way to wake up or in the afternoon, whenever you want to use the fitness center, and they do have staff on hand as well. I hope you found the walking tour of the Sun Palace in Cancun, Mexico useful. And make sure that you watch the complete review I did of this resort. And we actually loved it so much, we did become members so that we could offer you, our viewers and subscribers, a discount if you are going to travel to any Palace resort. So just drop a comment below or email us at 3 days and Tres Noches if you would like the discount code. I do respond to all comments and questions. And keep following us at 3 days and Tres Noches so we can keep bringing you fun, exciting, and affordable vacations and adventures you can have in just a really short amount of time.